In 2025, having a mobile app isn't just a nice to have, it's essential for every business. Did you know over 70% of internet users are now shopping and browsing on their mobile devices? This shift means customers crave fast, personalized experiences that apps deliver far better than websites. Imagine sending push notifications to keep your customers in the loop about offers and news, leading to increased engagement. A smooth in-app experience can significantly boost your sales and conversions. Plus, with integrated payment gateways, checking out becomes a breeze, making it easier for customers to complete their purchases. Certain industries are already reaping the rewards. E-commerce and retail businesses are enhancing their shopping experiences, while healthcare providers are simplifying appointment bookings. Restaurants are streamlining online orders, and educational platforms are making learning interactive and engaging. Looking ahead, we'll see AI chatbots for instant support, augmented reality for immersive shopping, and blockchain for secure transactions. Mobile apps are not just shaping the future, they're transforming how we do business today. So, if you haven't considered an app for your business yet, now's the time to jump on board.